Finally, I'm back in Imphal, Manipur. I'm here at Market Hill, the biggest women market in Asia, if I'm not wrong. Let me get into Audiio because this is the cheapest I can afford. Going to move towards my parking. Yeah, this is Nagaram. Now let's move to Winger parking. Ukhrul Winger parking. The luckies. Hi. It's so hot, but still I have to pull my location. Walk towards the parking. This is Komanaba Ukhrul parking. It's fresh. Since I don't have cash and they do not accept GPay, I have to go around the shop asking for 500 rupees. So I got it from one shopkeeper. Thank you. This is the parking, Ukhrul parking. Still the same. It cost me 300 rupees to go from Imphal to Ukhrul. Wow. Seriously, the air, it's so fresh and so different from the city. So I feel like I'm alive again. Just see the view. But the road remains the same, Ukhrul road. It's been so many years, but still the same. See the condition of the Ukhrul road. Oh, thank you, government. Finally, I can reach home looking white, dusty. Wow, oh, nice road. So this is. I have no words. I can't say. I don't want to say anything. But thank you for the beautiful road. See, look at the greenery. Peaceful. Whoa, this is nice. We can do a lot like this by planting a lot of trees. Wow, finally reached my village, Umpung village. Welcome to Ukhrul district. They're here. Finally, I reached my village. It's fresh. Finally, I can breathe fresh air. Finally, I can breathe oxygen. Here, my baby, it's here. Way to my home. Hey. This is way to my beautiful home. Yeah. Evergreen home. I'll show you my house. See, yellow and white. Huh? This is my home. Wow. See, I'll give you a do house tour later on. Diese.
Ja, Papa,
Ay, cái thằng này.
dạ, thằng đi làm bên đây chứ.